Vivo NEX3 5G with waterfall screen, Snapdragon 855 Plus to launch in September. The rumor mill has been buzzing with chatter about the next Vivo NEX smartphone for quite some time now. We have already seen real-life images of the device sporting the waterfall screen design, along with renders showing off a circular triple-camera setup. Well, Vivo is now perking up the interest by officially revealing that the Vivo NEX3 5G, yeah, that's the official name, will launch in September. And what's more intriguing is that Vivo's product manager Li Xiong talked about how he cannot wait for September 1st. Well, we don't think it's the official launch date for the NEX3 5G, but it could be the day Vivo announces when NEX3 5G will officially be unveiled in China. Several leaks for the upcoming Vivo NEX3 have already shown off its waterfall display. It has long been rumored that the device will boast a nearly 100% screen-to-body ratio, and recent leaks suggest it could be 99.6%. This is a lot of screen real estate, but you will not be able to utilize a lot of it as it will be wrapped around the edges. Under the hood, we expect Vivo NEX3 to be powered by the recently unveiled Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 Plus SoC. It carries the 5G moniker, so it will come equipped with the Snapdragon X50 modem for 5G connectivity. The device is also rumored to feature the much-anticipated 6.4MP camera sensor from Samsung. It will feature the ISO CELL Bright GW1 sensor, which we will soon see on the Redmi Note 8 Pro and Realme XT. There's no information on the other two sensors baked into this device. The details on the selfie camera, pressure-sensitive buttons possibly similar to the Vivo NEX dual display, super fast charging support, and a lot more are still scarce, so stay tuned for more information to pour in.